I represent Faith Action Network, a statewide interfaith organization partnering for the common good. With great sadness, we all mourn the deaths of those who died while peacefully worshiping God. And we form a common bond here in Washington and across the nation tonight, proclaiming that harm done to our Sikh brothers and sisters is harm done to all of us. To you who regularly pray in this Gurdwara here in this holy congregation, thank you for this extraordinary gift of your open doors this evening. In this time of shock and grief, your welcoming and your work to educate, to bring awareness that all human beings are more alike than different, is inspiring and like the hand of God blessing all of us. Tonight we gather in the light of this truth with shared core principles about human dignity and justice. We are people of all faiths, banishing all distinctions between high and low, between rich and poor. And yet, we live in a nation and a world plagued with hatred and violence. We know that those who perpetuate hate believe they can cause the rest of us to hide in fear and to submit to the hate-filled agenda. Instead, tonight their actions have caused people of good faith on this holy ground to open doors rather than close them, to reach out beyond differences and to embrace a common dream of a better world. We are all grateful for your wisdom and grace. My own religious tradition is Roman Catholic, and from that tradition, I honor this quote from Pope John the 23rd. May all peoples of the earth become as brothers and sisters, and may the most longed for peace blossom forth and reign always among men and women. Thank you.
Thank you, Jackie, for those sobering words. The next speaker, I'm going to